Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, I know I had shared the collaboration box that I was sent from Lisa Goss. She is Happy Crafter Shop, and here's her information, guys. I do have a coupon code for you, and I'll remind you throughout this short video. It is Anna10, ANA10, for 10% off your order, your entire order, excluding your tax and your shipping. But I just wanted to share with you the first project that I have made with the products, some of the products that Lisa sent me. So she sent me a great big box, guys. It's a lot of stuff. So I am going to just dive right in and show you what she had, or what I have made with some of the things that she sent me. So this was the box, and I am going to leave this right here to remind you that my coupon code, or discount code, I'm sorry, is Anna, ANA10. So I made I don't know what to call it. It's an embellishment box, a bead ready to go embellishment book box. So I did make it in the form of a book, and honestly I used some of the little sequins butterflies that are in the box that she sent me, some of the clay flowers on this side. This bow is my Easter bow, and the flower is from my small flower die set. And I used one of the little round balls, the beads, I believe they're called round beads, for the center. Guys, those are perfect for your smaller flowers. And then I just put a dangle here. I did make this little doily, which I put in front of the book. I glued a button along with a couple more clay bits. And again, the flowers are from the small flower die set that is in my shop. And look at the centers to those flowers. Isn't it like fully spring? It is so nice to have different colors for the center of the flowers. I love the way that looks. I really like those balls. And then for the closure, I put another flower there, and of course, you know, I stickled everything up. And that's the side of the box. And this trim was given to me in a swap, and all I did was thread this 1/8 inch satin ribbon going, you know, through the trim that's right there. And on the back I didn't do anything. Guys, this is for me. I will tell you that, you guys know I don't work a lot with beads and stuff like that. But when I do want one to hang on something, I have to stop what I'm doing. I have to go and I have to make the dangle, the bead dangle, or whatever it is that I'm making. And so, you know, the laziness in me just keeps me from doing that altogether. So I thought, you know what? Let me make a box that has beads ready to go. And all I have to do is open the box and take the bead that I need. So for the closure, all I did was glue a piece of cardstock on there, and it just opens that way. And you know, honestly, Lisa has the tiny Velcro dots, and you could really just take one of those dots and put it on here, and that could be your closure. So, but I did it this way, and I didn't think about the Velcro until after I had already made this one. But so this one just opens this way, and then the box opens like this. And I did glue down my box with E6000 so that it wouldn't come loose, or it wouldn't, you know, every time I grabbed it, so it wouldn't come loose. But so what I did with this box, of course, this is one that I had in my stash, and opening it this way, here are the large lobster clasps that she had sent me, and I also put some smaller ones in there from my stash for just in case I need, you know, a smaller one. It's in the box. It's in the box ready to go. I have no excuse. So most of these are beads that she sent me. And she did send me the love cabochon and the little bunny. Isn't that bunny cute? Oh my gosh, I wish I had a tiny bow, and I might, to put on the ear. But I went ahead and drilled a hole and I made these dangles. So that's what is in this one right here. And then these beautiful blue beads, she did send me these. These come from the box that she sent me. And guys, I had never done wire wrapping, and I thought, let me give it a try. Oh, it's not hard, and it does take a little bit of time, but look at the results, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those. They turned out so pretty. Oh my gosh. And the beads are beautiful. So that's what I put in this one. And then these are for my stash. These are just, you know, like pearl beads, and some of them are wire wrapped, some of them are not. I did a little, you know, a few of each one, wrapped and unwrapped, so that they would be ready to go. So these are for my stash, but you know, I thought that would be good for the box. And then these larger ones are also for my stash. But none of these are wire wrapped. All these are just, you know, just have the loop on there. Isn't that one pretty? That, you know, it just has the loop on there because I felt like it would be just a little too much if I wrapped it. So these bows, she also included these bows right here. And I was looking the other day, and I think she's got a different color bow as well. I don't know if the orange ones are still available, but if you go to her website, use my discount code Anna, ANA 10. You can, you know, you can get them. Her prices are so reasonable. You can get them for even less. And then she did send me these little carrots right here, these gold carrots, and I made little dangles out of those too. Aren't those pretty? And then she sent me some star beads. These are the star beads that she sent me. Those are pretty, aren't they? And I just added some seed beads. These are not wire wrapped. I just added some seed beads for color. And then she sent me the frosted ones, and those are really pretty. So I made, I think, one of each color. So there are those, the frosted stars. And then, of course, these are my favorite, these little bunnies. Oh my gosh, these are so adorable. Again, I don't know if they are in her shop still, if she sold out. But guys, go really check it out. I saw another bunny that was so adorable. So all her stuff is really cute. And then here are the strawberries. Aren't these going to be cool for summertime? Oh, these are so pretty. So those are the strawberries. And then with the letter beads and the star beads that she sent me, I went ahead and made up some words with the beads that she sent me. So let me show you the words that I have made. So those are the strawberries. Okay, so I made the word dance, and this one was a little long, so I didn't add any of the stars at the end. The word is a little bit long. So, and this one says joy, and I went ahead and added the stars on the end of this one. Isn't that pretty? How fun are those? And then this one says happy, again with nothing on the ends but the seed beads. And then this one says hi, and this one just has stars on it because I thought these were really cute just like that as well. And then this one says jump. This one says smile, and this one just has one bead in the end. I thought those fit perfectly. And then again, these just have the stars on there. So these are fun. These look like a lot of fun to put on something. And then I also went ahead and put some jump rings in here because guys, even that, you know, I have to go dig out all the stuff. And so I said, let me put some jump rings in there. That way everything's put together. This is a ready to go bead box. And then this little bag, guys, I believe it was these bows that were in this little bag, and I just repurposed the bag for the jump rings. And that is what I have made with some of the things that I think these will be so good for Halloween, guys, for the dangles and all that. These are going to be really good for that. But I mean, they're good for spring as well, but I immediately thought of Halloween for these. Anyway, guys, I thought I'd show you what I have made so far with you know, the items that she sent me. The beautiful items that she sent me. And again, I'm going to remind you one more time, my coupon, my discount, I keep calling it coupon. My discount code is ANNA, ANA 10, for 10% off your entire order, excluding tax and shipping. So this has been sitting on my desk, ready to go. And believe it or not, guys, I've already dug into this. I've already pulled this out 3 or 4 times for a project that I thought, you know what, a bead, you know, if I can hang a bead, it'd look cute. So I've already dug it out a few times, and it's sitting on my desk ready to go. And I love that. You know, once I start running out of the beads, I think I will sit down, take some time, and make more and refill this and just keep it on my desk. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. This has been fun. I do have another project that I'm working on for this collab. And don't forget to visit Lisa. I'm going to leave her link in the description box. Her YouTube and her, I'll leave all her links in there. But there is her Instagram, Happy Crafter Shop. She is also Happy Crafter _Lisa on Instagram, and then her YouTube is Happy Crafter, and there's her email, and her shop is www.happycraftershop.com. There you go. All right, guys, I hope that I've inspired you to get ready. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Y'all have a great day.